A programming language sounds like something only genius hackers in movies understand. Someone says, I'm learning programming languages, and everyone immediately imagines someone typing aggressively on multiple monitors while green text scrolls dramatically across the screen. The movie version of coding, dark room, green scrolling text, multiple monitors, someone typing like their life depends on it, has genuinely confused more people about programming than anything else. Which is understandable. Movies have convinced people that coding is either world-changing innovation or illegal working done in dark basements. Usually both, but the real concept is much simpler. A programming language is a way humans give instructions to computers. That's it. You write commands in a structured language, the computer follows those instructions. Strip away everything Hollywood added. And a programming language is just a structured way of telling a machine what to do, which sounds much less dramatic, but it's somehow more impressive. Hopefully, unless you forgot a semicolon somewhere and now everything is broken, which happens more often than programmers would like to admit. Computers are powerful, but they are also incredibly literal. They do exactly what you tell them to do, not what you meant, what you actually wrote. If you tell a computer to repeat something forever, it will happily do that until your laptop sounds like it's preparing for takeoff. Computers have absolutely no common sense, which is ironic considering humans built them while often lacking common sense ourselves. One missing semicolon breaking an entire project is not an exaggeration. It is a Tuesday for most programmers, and the humility it teaches is genuinely unmatched. At the lowest level, computers understand machine code. This is made of binary numbers, zeros and ones, huge amounts of them. Humans are terrible at writing software this way because staring at endless binary feels like losing an argument with mathematics. So programmers created easier languages humans could actually use. A rare example of humanity solving its own problems before making new ones. The computer doing exactly what you wrote instead of what you meant is the core frustration of programming, and it never goes away no matter how experienced you are or you become. Programming languages became more human-friendly over time. Languages like Python are popular because they are easier to read. Java powers many enterprise systems. JavaScript helps websites become interactive. C++ powers performance-heavy software. Swift helps build apps for Apple devices. Different languages exist because apparently programmers enjoy creating more choices for everyone. Accidentally writing an infinite loop and hearing your computer fan scream maximum volume is a rite of passage that every programmer experiences exactly once before learning why that matters. Imagine telling someone how to make a sandwich. You could simply say, make me a sandwich. But a computer needs exact instructions. Take bread, add ingredients, close sandwich, serve sandwich. Programming works similar. Computers need step-by-step instruction. And if you forget one step, the computer may create chaos or nothing at all, which is usually worse when deadlines are involved. Programming languages build almost everything: digital apps, websites, video games, operating systems, artificial intelligence systems, banking software, cars, medical equipment, space technology, social media apps. People swear they are deleting tomorrow. Modern life runs on code, and most people rarely think about it, mostly because they are too busy resetting passwords. Computers still need help understanding human-friendly programming languages. That's where compilers and interpreters come in. They translate code into machine instructions. Think of them like translators between humans and machines, because computers remain committed to speaking binary forever. If this video is making technology feel less intimidating than it did 10 minutes ago, subscribe, because breaking down complex digital concepts into something actually understandable is exactly what this channel does consistently. Very stubborn behavior. Programming errors are called called bugs. Sometimes tiny mistakes break entire systems. One missing symbol, one wrong variable, one forgotten update. Suddenly, nothing works. Programmers then spend 6 hours fixing a problem caused by a typo and celebrate wildly after deleting one extra space. Technology is deeply humbling. If this video made you curious enough to want to understand more about how the digital world actually works, subscribe, because we cover technology, systems, and how things actually function every week, and there's significantly more to explore. People constantly ask why there are so many programming languages, because different tasks need different tools. Web development, game development, data science, mobile apps, operating systems, artificial intelligence. Different languages specialize in different areas. Also, programmers occasionally invent new languages because apparently the existing hundreds were not enough. Ambition truly has no limits. At the end of the day, a programming language is simply a way humans communicate instructions to computers. It allows people to build software, apps, websites, games, and modern technology systems. Without programming languages, the digital world would not exist as we know it. Every app you use depends on code written in some programming language. Humanity created tools that allow us to communicate with machines, and we mostly use them to build productive apps and apps that let people watch cut videos for 6 straight hours, which feels perfectly balanced. You just watched a video about how computers do exactly what they are told and nothing more. This channel has been consistently delivering clear, honest content every week. The subscribe button is right there, and unlike a computer, I am not going to tell you twice.